train is just came, is ready. So I have to take this train to go to Eastham. So this train is going to Barking. So Barking is the last stop for this train. This is Hammersmith and this City Line. I have boarded the train. So it is ready to depart. So this is Hammersmith and City Line. So next station is Whitechapel. So from Whitechapel we can get a train to go to Heathrow Airport, which is by Elizabeth Line, or we can also get a train to go to Shenfield. So it is close to Chelmsford, where I am going today. But I will take a train from Liverpool Street. So yeah.
This is Stepney Green. This is a Hammersmith and City Line train to Barking. The next station is Mile End.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Bow Road. This is the Hammersmith and City Line train to Barking. The next station is Bromley by Bow.
You can see East London. This is East London. So East London is where East Ham, Barking, Ilford, Stratford, all these places are located.
This is Bromley by Bow. This is the Hammersmith and City Line train to Barking. The next station is West Ham.
The doors are closing this way, right
This
side.
is West Ham. This is the Hammersmith and City Line train to Barking. The next station is Clarston.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Clarston.
You can
This
see
is the
entire
Hammersmith
train.
and City Line train to Barking. The next station is Upton Park. The next station is East Ham. The next station is East Ham.
ఇక్కడ రిజిస్టార్లో దిగేసిన సో డైరెక్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతారు ఇండియన్ రెస్టారెంట్కి తినేసి టెంపుల్ అంటే మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడన్నా ఫ్రెష్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు వచ్చి దర్శనం చేసుకుంటాం. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఈస్టామ్ స్టేషన్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈస్టామ్. I have been using this station from past like 22 years, 23 years when I was in UK. So this is very good. Here it's the same. Yesterday I had in the evening I had dosa, so uttappam. So I came here to have buffet breakfast. This is Siddhi Pure Vegetarian Indian restaurant. Is owned by Telugu restaurant. It is 850 including tea. £8.50. So I'm sitting here. So this is different items available. Vada is there. So I can order breakfast. So two idli, vada, dosa, there are also puri, so pong, upma, everything excellent. Take this westbound platform to Central London. I have to go to Liverpool Street. So only one train goes to Liverpool Street, that is Hammersmith and Smith Line, Hammersmith and City Line. So District Line doesn't go, but just now one train left, so I have to wait for another train. So this is busy in the morning. Everyone is going to Central London, towards Central London to work. So yeah, one more train is coming. It's Wimbledon. Wimbledon is District Line. So next is Hammersmith and City Line. So I will take next train. Ealing Broadway వెళ్తుంది, District Line. So ఇది పట్టుకొని నేను వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. Train. I got down from this train. This is Hammersmith and City Line. So this is District Line. Sorry. So I have got down at Mile End. So now I have to take Central Line to go to Liverpool Street. So I just change the platform and it is no need to take steps or anything. So this is the stop to go to Liverpool Street. You can see the map. So only 2 stops from here. This is Westbourne platform. So I am at my left. So next is Bethlehem and then after that Liverpool Street. Line is always busy, always, because it is fast in all lines, tube lines. So it is early morning, so that's why too busy. This is Central Line going to Liverpool Street. Inside the train. This is Liverpool Street in Central Line. So I got down from this Central Line train. So I have to book a ticket to go to Chelmsford, half peak. Half peak means after 9:30 it is half peak, rates will be less and trains will be less rush. So I will book half peak ticket from Liverpool, Great River, going out from Tube, so it's underground. So then I have to go to overground to take a national rail. Here national rail ante so city కాకుండా లండన్ సిటీ కాకుండా బయటకు వెళ్ళేవాటి నేషనల్ రైల్ అంటారు. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ నేషనల్ రైల్ టు Chelmsford. It is only 35 minutes from by train to Chelmsford. Right side is way out, so I have to use this gate. You can clearly see the signs. Overground, Elizabeth line right side, national line right side, trains to Stansted, so way out. So I have to go to national rail to take my train to Chelmsford. So this is the way. So this is Liverpool Street station. This is national line. See the station. I came here first time. I came here in the year 2019, October 20th. I still remember. So the station looks similar. See the vibes. See the people. Excellent. I never went outside. Today I will went outside and come. So this is a beautiful Liverpool Street station. So I never came out and saw it. So because I want to take a video, so I came out. So this is McDonald's. See the buildings. So just this is Central London. So that's why we can see all offices, big buildings. This business district, central business district, or whatever we can call it. Central London is most expensive and most valuable area in the world. So this is London and it is Central London. So this is the main entrance of Liverpool Street. See how excellent it is. So again I am going to it's called Concourse, the platform area. So you can see the different platforms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Chelmsford is like 10 to 15. So it is same, I think same from past 22 years. So when I have first visited in 2002, October 20th, I told it was on Sunday. So I came here to do my masters in 2002, October 19th on Saturday. So immediately next day I went to Chelmsford to look for my accommodation and to meet my friends. See the display boards, they are excellent. So I always used to admire these display boards. So it's digital, it's from past 23 years, there is no change. So you can see I want to take that 936 platform. So platform 8 to display, Colchester town, it is calling it Stratford, Ramford, Shenfield and Chelmsford. Chelmsford I will reach around 10:10. So I will take a ticket, I will buy a ticket. So I have to go to tickets area. You can see different restaurants, the cafes. So once I used this toilets here, so it was 20 pence in the year 2022, but not now. I don't know prices now, so it might be increased. So I am going towards ticketing area. So because I have to buy a ticket and I have a pass which covers zones 1 to 6 here. In London it is called zones. So I have a pass, so zones 1 to 6. So I have to take a ticket after zone 6. So because up till zone 6 it is free. So after that you can see Starbucks, WH Smith. So they are all famous here, famous brands. I can't find ticketing. I am just, so I will look. It is somewhere hidden, I know. Yeah, tickets that way. So it used to be this left side. So I think the new shops came up, new cafes, and I think they have moved to different place. So yeah, ticketing area. Yeah, tickets. I want to have manual tickets, but I can't see. They have changed it. See, ticket office entrance. It used to be other side, opposite side. Now they have moved into inside. So these are the trains I have to take. These are platforms. So my platform, it probably 10 to 15 platforms always. Chelmsford, Colchester. Colchester is the oldest town, recorded town in UK. So Stansted, Clacton-on-Sea, Walton-on-Naze, Southend, all these trains goes. So this is the ticket office. I am going there to buy all my tickets here. First ticket I booked from London Liverpool Street to Chelmsford, return today. And on Friday I have booked a ticket to Southampton Central from London, from Southampton Central to Portsmouth Harbour, from Portsmouth Harbour to Three Bridges, and from Three Bridges to London return. So Rajesh from Gujarat originally, so he helped me booking all those tickets. So I can't film inside, so that's why I'm filming outside. So now I have a train ticket to 10 o'clock to. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.